What's going on, guys, and welcome to the channel, right? I have the blessings of bringing you some incredible VPN deals. Now, all the way through this channel, I'm going to be bringing you some videos. Sometimes it's going to be what the best one is I think you should get. Sometimes it's going to be the best deal I can get for you. But what I'm definitely going to bring to you is transparency, honesty, and some incredible prices. All right, sometimes you're gonna get months for free, sometimes you're gonna get prices that are good. So let's get straight in. My name's George, welcome to the channel. I'm super excited. Let's get it. So number one, guys, we are kicking off with Surfshark. All right, I'm super excited for this. Now, the reason I'm so excited and it wants to be the first video that I brought to you is because this could be the cheapest, the best value for money of any VPN that you can get unlimited users on. Now, let me show you. So right now we got a deal going, 80% off VPN deal, plus 2 months for free. Now, you can only get that deal if you click on through our website. I will get to our website at the end of the video, so stay tuned, all right? And links are down below. Now, the best deal, better choice. So, you can have unlimited devices. Pay once, put your whole family on it. It don't matter if you charge them, do whatever you want to do, all right, for you entrepreneurs out there. But get on there unlimited. Feel free to leave in the comments your link so I can use it too. All right, we've got the add-on malware blocker, the cookie pop-up blocker, the two-factor authentication, 24-hour support, and price. Now, the price is £2.49. That's insane. Look at the comparisons. You don't even get these and it's £8.32. £4.99, that's a good price. But you only get 10. And you don't get the cookie pop-up or the 24/7 support. Now, there's loads of influencers talking about this, right? You might know some of these names. They're probably not as cool as me, but you will know. And they're talking about, I've been using this. I got it. I love it. Only downloaded Surfshark because I made an ad for it, but then started using it. That's pretty much what I'm going to do. I've got Surfshark set up, so I'm just a couple of taps away from browsing. Incredible, right? It's also in the news on Tech Radar PC and CNET. All over the place, right? This is incredible. All you need is a VPN and more, right? It's easy to use. It keeps your data safe. It protects all your devices. It uses the open internet, all right? That means it avoids government eavesdropping and company tracking to surf the open web. Now, it's secure on any platform, so you protect any device, phones, laptop, tablets, extensions, TV, consoles, Wi-Fi routers, all right? Anyone you've got. And you can secure your digital life today. So there's a 100% money back guarantee for your first 30 days. You get 24 months plus 2 months free, okay, at £1.89 a month. Do you know that's less than the coffee shop I go to for a coffee? It's actually less than half a coffee, all right? It's incredible. You're saving 82%. All right, all you got to do is click that button and link down below, but I'm going to show you where this offer is on our website, all right? I cannot explain how good of a price that is. You got to think, you pay £1.89 a month and you are going to get unlimited access for all users for this VPN. Incredible. So guys, let me actually show you what it looks like, right? I've got it saved to my extensions and it comes up like this. So I'm going to show you some live demos of how to do it. So for example, starting off, let's say we are in Andorra, all right? I'm going to click Andorra and it's going to virtually connect. Now we're connected to Andorra. My computer is safe as it says, and it thinks we are there. Now, it shows you connection time, how long you've been on it. Your real location is obviously hidden. Unlike activity is encrypted, and it gives you your new IP address. Now, you can pause it for a certain amount of minutes, all right, if you want to take a call, something like that, you need to be on. Or you could just disconnect in total. Let's disconnect. So now I'm unprotected because I'm not on there, right? It's showing my real location. Let's try again with the Bahamas. It's connected and we're in the Bahamas. Super easy, right? The same comes up. Let's disconnect that. If you want a multi-hop, so I can say I am going from France to Sweden. All right, I'm hopping, so no one can catch me, no one can see me. All right, and there you go. All of your information comes up. Now, what else do we actually have when this comes up? All right, you can have your alerts, so you can go to Surfshark, protect your identity. So if someone tries to breach, it will alert you. You've got your antivirus, all right? You could do scans at any time you want, full scan, quick scan, and you could download it for your Mac. You can go in the search, all right? So privately and truly organic search is super safe, all right? So you don't have to do it straight on your Google browser, and you got your settings mode, all right? You could change it, your password, things like that, your language, put it in dark mode. I like it in dark mode. And you can earn free Surfshark, all right? Just by going in there and having a look. You got your connection and security, everything you need, all right? It's got everything on here. Super easy. I really like this because it's so cheap and you can get as many people on as you want. Now, guys, you'll notice as you're scrolling down these countries, there's actually over 3,200, that's 3,200 different VPNs that you can use, all right? Over a crazy amount of countries. Look at them all. So it's insane because once you go into there, you can actually get into which one you want to use, right? Over 3,200, that's insane. more than many that I have used before. Now guys, here what I want to show you. You've used different ones, right? I'm going to go on Germany, Berlin. All right, I'm going to connect and I'm going to show you the speed test of this because this is where it really shows what a good VPN is. I'm going to go on speed test right now. All right, guys, I'm on the speed test right now. I'm going to show you, and I'm still connected to Germany, Berlin, all the way from the United Kingdom. So let's do it. Let's connect. Let's see what happens. It can actually show you what device you're on with the native apps. All right, we're connecting right now. And what are we going to come up with? Look at that right at the top, guys. There's not many VPNs that can do that. Now, the reason this is VPNs have a lot of servers. But what Surfshark has is very quality servers. No matter what, if you're really close, look at that 58.66 download speed. For a VPN, remember, this is connecting to Germany. And I'm in the United Kingdom. That's incredible, right? Just like the upload speed, very, very, very fast. And that, like I said, it's because it's quality servers. I'd rather take the time to connect to a quality server than just 50 around me that aren't very good. All right, I love this. It's incredible. You can see I'm still connected because we're getting the foreign languages coming up here. That's just what I want to show you. Really, really cool, really good. Guys, another incredible part of this, right, is they actually have a kill switch. Now, what that means, if you don't know, is, let me just disconnect from this Germany Berlin that we're at right now. It means if for any reason the VPN goes down, one of the servers goes down, it kill switches your system. It means nobody can breach at that point. No information gets left on the server. It's instantly kill switch. It's like you were never on it. That's a really cool feature that people are adapting, but Surfshark have already got that implemented. Super, super cool. Now, while we're on it, let's talk about Only VPNs, all right? We are here to help you. Now, the way that you get the deal I've been talking about and all the incredible things that I've been talking about, you want to watch Amazon, if you want to watch Netflix, if you want to go on YouTube in a different country, all them things, you got to come on our website, links down below, onlyvpns.net, all right, and go to recommended and click on the favorite Surfshark. It's going to take you to that jaw-dropping best deal I've ever given. All right, and that's where it's the 82% off VPN deal. Super, super incredible, all right? I am massive fan of Surfshark. I hope you are too. Let me know in the comments right now. Guys, I need to know from you if you are going to get involved, right? You got to go on to onlyvpns.net. I am super blessed. I'm part of this project, part of this movement. I'm part of this family, and we get to share our incredible deals with you. Like I said, throughout this journey with me, we are going to see a lot of different deals. Pick the one that you love the best. Try them all. For the prices that I can get you, like $1.89 or £1.89 like I've shown you today, you could try them all and not even break a note. Super easy, right? And guess what? Surfshark is the best one for me right now. That's why I'm bringing it to you straight away. Let's get this. Let me know if you liked it. Hit the like button. Let me know if you loved it. Hit the subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to be notified about the next VPN I've got coming for you. And I will see you on the next video. Have a very, very blessed day.